Hi there, students. A rubric. A rubric. Okay, a rubric is a set of instructions for something, a set of rules, particularly at the top of an exam paper. Normally, when you have to write your what you're going to write on that exam paper, and this is maybe in a different colour. So the rubric is the rules. So I didn't understand the rubric of the question, and that's why I got a very poor mark. You could also use this word rubric to talk about the classification, the heading, the title under which something is used, under which something operates, under which something is studied. So the money that you receive for your studies comes under the rubric of money supplied by the European Union. Okay, it comes under that classification. Now, let's look at the original meaning or the origin of rubric. Let's see, you know these beautiful illustrated manuscripts that they used to do in medieval times, from maybe the 13th century. Well, normally the some of it is printed or is written in red text, or the first letter is a great big flowery letter. This is a rubric. The rubric is particularly bits written in red ink for emphasis. So you could emphasize the name of a saint, or you could emphasize the name of an important person. And these are rubrics. These are bits that are in red letters. And like that, they stand out. This rubrication was actually a separate stage in the making of one of these old manuscripts. Okay, so a rubric, a set of instructions. Yeah, the set of instructions for something, particularly for an exam or something like that. We can also use the word a rubric to talk about a class or category of something. So this type of weapon comes under the rubric of a nuclear weapon. And then a rubric. They also use a rubric to talk about a document which explains the marking scheme for an exam. So the rubric is very useful for the person marking the exam, because this gives them the rules that tell them how they should mark the exam. And the rubric is also very useful for the students, because it tells them what things they need to include in their exam paper and the things that are not important. Okay, so a rubric, the heading, the title, the beginning of a manuscript, of a legal code, of something that's distinguished so that you can see it's important. A rubric, a set of rules of conduct, a set of procedure. The instructions to a candidate at the top of an examination paper. The classification under which something is used, under which something is done. So let's see. This word rubric, I think it'll probably come under the rubric of formal English, under the classification. I think that's how I will classify it. Okay, so a rubric. To come under the rubric of something, to come under the heading of something. The rubric, the information, the rules, how to do this, the procedure to follow. And then originally from these illuminated manuscripts and these words that are in red. Okay, formality. 7 in formality. I think I would give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from the Latin word rubrica. Rubrica means red ochre or red chalk, and the red part on the manuscript was made of this red ochre. The pigment was this is the pigment that was used to make the red ink, and therefore a rubric. So it has the idea of this red. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rubric.